This is Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, who's demanded the Rajya Sabha chairman to investigate the Swati Maliwal case. First, the Chief Secretary was beaten in Kejriwal's house, says the Assam Chief Minister, and says now a Rajya Sabha MP. He's requested the Honorable Vice President to get this investigated. In the meanwhile, remember, Delhi BJP is also carrying out protests near the Chief Minister's residence over the entire episode, over the Swati Maliwal assault case. But this is an appeal coming in from the Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma, who is seeking Jagdeep Dhankar's intervention, says this entire episode must be investigated. First up, listen in.
केजरीवाल ने पहले चीफ सेक्रेटरी का पिटाई किया, वो भी एलिगेशन है। कल सुबह वो राज्यसभा सांसद को भी पिटाई किया। मेरा लगता है कि राज्यसभा का हमारे जो भारत का वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, जो राज्यसभा का चेयरमैन है, उनको 100 मतलब कॉग्नाइजेंस लेना चाहिए कि राज्यसभा का सांसद को एक चीफ मिनिस्टर कैसे पीट सकता है।
Let me quickly go across to Anshul joining us live from outside the Chief Minister's residence. BJP is also taken to streets, is protesting outside Arvind Kejriwal's residence, demanding action against Bipab. But tell us more about, the mood on the ground. How is the Aam Aadmi Party, Anshul, deciding to respond to all of these allegations, with the Assam Chief Minister also now seeking Jagdeep Dhankar's intervention?
So yes, over the last almost 2 days now, there has only been one statement that has been made from the side of the Aam Aadmi Party. That statement was made by Sanjay Singh, where he promised that requisite action will be taken against Bipab. But what is that action? That is something that there is still no clarity about. On the other hand, this issue is something that has been served to the BJP on a platter, and that is the reason why we are seeing that over the last 2 days as well, the BJP is leaving no stone unturned in making sure that they make the right calls and put pressure on the Aam Aadmi Party. Today, the Mahila Morcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party is carrying out this protest right outside the residence of the Delhi Chief Minister. The Delhi Chief Minister's residence is approximately 500 to 700 meters away from this location, and the Mahila Morcha of the Bharatiya Janata Party is gathered over here. They are raising these placards against the Chief Minister, and how the attack that happened inside the residence of the Chief Minister is something that is a big cause of concern for all these women who are gathered over here. I'll just try and get in a word from a few of them. मैम, आज इतना बड़ा प्रोटेस्ट निकाला गया है, आप लोग सब यहाँ मौजूद हैं, क्या कैसे और प्रेशर बनाने की रणनीति रहेगी केजरीवाल पे, क्योंकि अभी तक कोई एक्शन लिया नहीं गया विभाग के अगेंस्ट। स्वाति मालीवाल ने भी अभी तक कोई कंप्लेंट नहीं की।
कंप्लेनें तो आ रही हैं, लेकिन कोई सुनवाई नहीं हो पा रही है उनकी। क्या क्वेश्चन?
स्वाति मालीवाल ने अभी तक कंप्लेंट नहीं की, आप कैसे प्रेशर बनाएंगे आम आदमी पार्टी पे?
बिना कंप्लेंट किए थोड़ी हम लोग प्रदर्शन के लिए आ गए हैं। केजरीवाल इतना नालायक आदमी है, जब अपने लोगों को नहीं छोड़ रहा है तो हम लोग तो बहुत दूर के। वो बोलता है कि 140 करोड़ जनता मेरे साथ है, हम उनके लिए भाई हैं, बेटे, वो कुछ नहीं है, बस केवल बोलने वाली बात है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। जब वो अपने लोगों का नहीं सेव कर सकते हैं तो हम लोग के लिए वो क्या करेंगे? कहते हैं कि हम सीएम है, सीएम बेटा है दिल्ली के, वो कुछ नहीं है। इनका बाहर कंट्री में पता कितने बने प्रॉपर्टी है, लेकिन इंडिया में ये क्या है, इन्होंने भुखमरी कर रखी है, शराब घोटाले इनके खिलाफ चले केस चले, तब भी राजा बने हुए हैं। और जनता भी जो जनता है, जो मोदी जी कर रहे हैं, उनके जैसे कोई काम नहीं कर रहा कोई भी। मोदी जी ने जितनी तरक्की दिया, उनकी कोई वैल्यू नहीं समझ रहे लोग, ये अपने।
So as you heard that the BJP is amping up the pressure. You can see these placards that say Kejriwal Sharam Karo, Mahila Virodhi Kejriwal Sharam Karo, Sharam Karo. So yes, the women from across the national capital of the Bharatiya Janata Party have gathered over here. They are continuously building more pressure on the Aam Aadmi Party, and they are making these noises because they want to put this message across that Aam Aadmi Party is not only a corrupt party but also a party that is against women. Now still, Swati Maliwal has still not filed a complaint in this entire matter, and that is what the police is waiting for. Now it remains to be seen if at all Swati Maliwal will take this matter to the police and eventually to the courts, or will she eventually buckle under pressure of the senior higher-ups of the Aam Aadmi Party and not file a complaint in this entire matter. All this is something that remains to be seen, but yes, definitely the BJP is leaving no stone unturned in making this messaging, especially at a time when the Delhi Chief Minister has just walked out of the Tihar jail on an interim bail.
You know, Anshul, it's very interesting what's happened the last 24 hours. You know, while the BJP is taken to streets, it's protesting outside the Chief Minister's residence. The Aam Aadmi Party, at least one leader of the AAP has come out to admit what happened at the Delhi Chief Minister's residence that day when 2 PCR calls were received by the Delhi police personnel. But interestingly, this kind of pressure is being mounted by the Bharatiya Janata Party because despite the seriousness of this incident, we've not seen a written complaint filed by Swati Maliwal so far.
Well, that is the most shocking part because over the last 6 to 7 years since the time that Swati Maliwal was at the helm of the Delhi Commission of Women, she had hit the streets. She knows how the investigation goes forward. She knows how the police works, and she knows that importance of a police complaint. And something like this happening with her, and she deciding not to give that police complaint even 48 hours after she was assaulted inside the residence of the Chief Minister himself, definitely raises a lot of questions on the credibility of Swati Maliwal as well. On the other hand, it is a cause of concern as well because Swati Maliwal has not been in touch either with the police or with the media. She still hasn't made an official complaint in this entire matter. So where is Swati Maliwal? That is something that is a cause of concern for everyone at this point in time. But yes, the Bharatiya Janata Party is making sure that since they have gotten this advantage now, since that issue has been served to them, that is the reason why this entire protest that we are seeing being carried out will continue until and unless some strict action is taken against Vibhav or the Delhi Chief Minister himself comes on record and apologizes for the kind of for the manner in which Swati Maliwal, a woman MP, has been treated inside his residence. So yes, the BJP is making all the right noises. Aam Aadmi Party is absolutely silent. Only Sanjay Singh has just one statement in which he has assured that strict action will be taken against Vibhav. What will that action be? That is unknown. Vibhav is not at any post inside the party. He was in fact sacked as the PA of the Chief Minister just a few months ago itself. So Vibhav is not in any capacity with the Chief Minister. But since he is a very close aide, what can the Chief Minister do against him? That is a very big question, and that is what is being asked to all the. That is what is being asked by all these protesters. Why is the Aam Aadmi Party not pursuing a police complaint in this entire matter? Because this matter is very serious. A woman MP being assaulted inside the residence, in fact in the drawing room of a sitting Chief Minister, is definitely a big cause of concern. And if at all the Aam Aadmi Party or Swati Maliwal herself does not give a police complaint in this, then definitely this is going to give a very wrong message across the country, because Swati Maliwal has been one of the vocal persons who has hit the streets for the rights of women. When something like this happens to her and she doesn't file a complaint, definitely will raise a lot of questions on the work that she has done over the last 7 to 8 years as well.
A woman who has been at the forefront of women's safety issues in the national capital, having faced something like this, and we've so far not heard from her, not verbally, not in form of any written complaint, and that's what makes it so very concerning. Anshul, many thanks for joining us with the latest. We'll keep coming back to you with lots more. BJP currently staging a